Hello friends, another quick lecture on cutting, copying, inserting and deleting cells. So I'll just randomly enter a set of data. I'll use autofill sequence to quickly have a data, and then okay, now say I want to delete the cell. No, let's start with copying. So say I want to copy this cell, so I right click on it and select copy, and now for example I want to paste it over here, so I'll go to paste and paste, and you can see it is showing 5 already there. What I actually mean is it is actually showing what will happen if you will click this button. That is what happens. If I want to cut this cell, I'll right click on it and select cut and go to some cell where I want to paste it, and I'll paste, and it is showing what will happen. The entry from the cell B7 from which we had cut will disappear, and the entry on the cell G10 where we are pasting it on will the data from the cell B7 will appear over the cell G10. Okay, what will happen if we click the button. If we don't, it's still there. After we click the button, we have performed the cut operation on the cell. Moving on, we have inserting a cell. For example, say I want to insert a cell over here, so I'll right click on the cell and I'll click insert. Now it asks how do you want to insert your cell. Shift cells down. What it will practically do is shift each and every cell including C7, which is currently active cell, one cell down. So the output should be that 11 goes to C15 and so on for every cell, and the entire column, entire set of cells below and including the active cell will shift down. If we click on OK, you can see that the entire set of cells have moved down one cell. What if I'll just press Ctrl Z, undo. What if you had selected 2 cells and insert and shift cells down? It will shift 2 cells down from 4. Cell C4 and C8 will be inserted as new cells, and each cell will move down by 2. Yes, that's what happened. Ctrl Z. And what if you wanted to insert a cell over here and shift cells right? So this cell will shift right and enter the column D, right, and Ctrl Z. Moving on, we have deleting cells. I'm quickly going to demonstrate it as well. Say you want to delete this cell, you right click on it and select delete, and there are a set of options for you to select before deleting the cell. What will happen when this cell will be deleted? You are not deleting the data in the cell, you are deleting the cell itself. So vacuum will be created here, and what you want to happen, all the cells shift up, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 each will move up and fill the vacuum. 7 will fill the space created here, 8 will fill the space created by 7, and basically all the set of data will move up. That is what selected by default, and if you hit on OK, that is what happens.